So in summer 2017, I showed you part 1 of this vlog where I learned how to use chopsticks. But in part 2, I'll be showing you what it is like to work with Yendi Phillips and some of the things that happened. I feel like a good legit work, man. I don't know where the light is, but that is what I'm in my little attire right here. So now I'm tired. This is now about 1 o'clock and sun clothing me. Sun is clothing me in my face, but it's fun. I see Miss Universe over there, so say I did. Say I did. Say I did. See the bird. Big up Yendi with the baby here, though. Real one, lad. Oh, we are go. Oh my Jesus. Jesus Peel. My other shake. My nervous. Oh. 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 No. Ah. Oh gosh. No. No. What? No. 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 Box cover! Why is there a cemetery over there? Hey, what's up? Yo, this is crazy.
Community records.
Oh yes, and I'm with the beautiful, was it Camilla? How was it today?
It was fun actually.
You enjoyed it, and
I enjoyed the tan, I enjoyed kicking some butts.
people, I tell you, they make me do a little mock version of this course, and I book up her, and she tell me to do some.
You were pretty good.
Yeah, it never push through it, but just because the camera. Just because the camera did on, because any other camera never on, me give up after like the first jumping jack.
You were good. I'm proud of you.
Okay, thank you and take care. Say what's up YouTube now, it's the second half of the shoot, JPS shoot, final episode. I'm tired and no, I'm not hungry, I got a little rest, but I'm just kinda a little tired. I feel like I have 1 hour left back. But yeah, it's kinda nice. Yeah. Check out my new shoes. No, there's no shoes. Over here. It's a lovely. It's a lovely Miss Yendi.
I can't talk right now.
Okay, we're moving and continuing.
No.
Continue. Miss Boo. What is it like? What is it like working with Yendi?
She gonna answer the question.
She chat too much.
Oh really? Wow! I know, so something.
Just kidding.
No.
No.
Come over, Team Berry. Come, Team Berry. You're Team Berry now. Didn't you say that you can't talk? Okay.
Exactly. No, you're right.
Lati. Lati. Lati, tell the people them what you do. What do you do?
How do you first proud of her?
Okay.
I don't want to get involved.
I do her. I don't want to get.
I don't want to get involved. I do hear
Which month we know?
December.
Yeah. What one for the shirt at the Halloween? What one for the October shirt? October, November.
This man, I'm gonna try time.
Oh, where you got the shirt?
Let's go this man, I'm gonna have a try.
It's cool, it'll go on. I know over there saw the big bag. Is it hers? Or we have a more fancy name. I know people is very technical, you know, like, yo, we're an editor, you know, we're a regular editor. What is the nicest thing about Mr. Dutty Berry?
Who is that?
What's the nice thing about Rasheen Berry?
Never met him.
What's the nicest thing about this person who's standing in front of you? Right, so.
Actually, I can't see anyone.
Yendi, you know, so years ago, when Yendi was in Miss World.
You just come on and be the honor. I mean, a lot don't miss. Wait a minute, just a second, cause you're moving much too fast.
I do one video on YouTube. I can't show you about it when I take like when I just learn how to edit. And you go in a Windows Movie Maker and you take a little picture of them. Can you know she have a little post? You know, look at you. You know that's how you in the post.
Somebody need from video.
No, but that's so. No, but hold it. But this is Yendi pole like she have a pose like sit there, hold on. She show her pose. There's a couple of them. So this one is like this like her eyes are like man. And then there's
Yendi, he got yes, that's true. Yendi,
so that's like
alright, okay.
No, come on.
Very.
What? That's how you pose.
Very, give me the walk.
No, we don't have that yet.
You don't
We don't
have
have that yet.
Very,
We don't have that yet. Wait.
Very, that's not the first time you did that pose.
No, I didn't plan that. Just did this morning. I didn't plan to my car about it. Come and sit down and say, no man, have a little signature thing. I'm gonna say yes. From 2000 how much? I'm gonna do the video put on YouTube. I'm gonna say, yo, this is Yendi. This is Yendi. This is Queen Yendi.
I don't know what y'all doing there now.
You know what, Barry?
I just said yes.
Listen, you know what? I'm very honored to have found my king on this project. So I'm great to have you standing with me.
Oh.
I'm great. And please, come. Where's the tissue? Let me get the tissue. Barry's gonna cry.
Thank you.
I'm kidding. I see you.
Okay.
I feel it. So yeah, I see you. I feel you.
And Michelle, could you allow him to see?
And I'm very proud to be working with you. And on a serious note, I'm actually very proud of your growth. I think you're the bomb.com, and I think you've done a great job.
Thank you.
That's on tape.
No feels you have to like her again.
No, but I mean it. What do you mean like me again?
No,
remember
because
it's me when I'm like, no, remember it's me when I'm like you.
You saw them something. Yeah, they have some singers there, man, like you. It's like,
You have to be witchy.
You know, that's also a side of intelligence, just FYI.
Oh, true, wow.
And I be better than my money so I can't wear it.
Yeah,
Done.
that's right.
What's supposed to cycle, it a cycle back too
My
quick.
pants, you know, my pants when my partner said, can't walk home anywhere. He said, anywhere you leave these jeans, it walk home. I mean,
Anyway, so now we're allow Yendi to change the topic. What was the first time when you met Yendi?
Give me a picture in it.
First time you came across her. You say, yo.
You did a photo shoot for...
At Fiction.
Yeah, you
Yes,
remember?
I do.
And you saw me and said, it's T-Pain!
That's right.
Get a witness.
He asked me for an autograph.
And yeah, I did!
Wow,
I
you
did.
gave it to him.
No,
Wow, you were that guy?
To be
Wow.
fair.
The first time I think I saw Yendi, it was some was it hotel beside Pegasus?
Hilton?
Yeah, where now use now. Hilton. And you know like we did have like some fashion show or something at the poolside? And you came in this black sock-on, like tights looking something. And this belly skin thing and her hair they blow out and come down. And it's like she came, this was probably about when we did like 2008, 2009. And she came in a little bit late, she come in like a tree girl. But when she stepped in, her hair came in like, she come in and I saw the hair just go. The hair just go so. Like so she walk and the hair just go, she just came and she just sat. And she had one little belly skin. One little belly skin, yeah.
Brenna.
Yes.
Brenna, the
Yes.
details. The
Yeah.
details.
No.
I have a question for you.
What?
I have a question.
What?
What did you do when you went home?
What? I shake my hand.
Because I'm a little worried about how much you remember what I had. Why do you remember my hair? That my stomach was old?
I mean,
What pants should I wear?
no, like,
It's so very detailed.
yeah, but it's a thing. It's a, you know.
I just get ready with your editing skills.
You know, so I was when somebody reminded me, you know, like, you know people from a long time, and they're like, yo, you're working with Yendi now. Like, you remember when you used to frighten?
obsessed with
You
her.
friend of a Yendi, and
You
they were
used to
telling me,
frighten for me?
they were
She blushing.
like,
You want me to put more blush?
And then it's like I start to realize like where I come on set and sometimes I keep it at a distance because it kind of you realize I couldn't even all get to the
It's like a with a smell.
yeah, and then look at something there like it still kind of feel a little like yo it's still yeah. I was about to say something a while ago but you're not going to say it?
So should I ask what you're going to go and do tonight?
I'm going to look back on the video and be like, yo, this was a milestone, like yeah, this
Actually,
happened.
let me shake your hand now.
After tomorrow. That's it.
Okay.
So now we finally reach where I look so white. Anyway, so it's the final night. Results time now. Medea. Yendi round this I'll sit down. And I'm just hoping that I remember my actual lines. The teams are here, so we'll have the 3 teams them about the place. So let's see who win. Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened?
Alright, everybody, quiet all around. For a very long and enduring and a wonderful 7 weeks. It's officially a wrap. I'd like to give thanks to Dutty, Yendi, our host. Give thanks to the production team. Give thanks to the contestants and give thanks to JPS and everybody for facilitating us. You guys are awesome. Respect, peace and love.
Woo! Yes!
If anybody else I forget, give thanks to God.
Where's the after party?
You're asking for all crew to stay around here for
Brian, where the after party? Where the after party?
Kingston.
Oh.
Oh, my crew, contestants.
Tish, where's the after party? Where's the after party?
After party?
Yeah, Kim, where's the after party?
Secret.
Secret?
After
After
the party is the after party.
Wow. Yes. Where the after party?
Nice.
Where the after party I keep? Where I keep? Cause we have money now, you know. We have money now, you know. Where the after party I keep?
Yo, you know, if you advertise that for real, people forward, you know.
No, if we do it, you know, set up on something, no, like set up on it, get JPS sponsor, and you know, you can get a little lighting, something there, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, sniff a fan a little day when nobody know nothing.
After party there?
But yeah, wait there.
After party that bedrock and pillar jam.
No, no. I want somewhere.
Tell them we talk to them, man, and we find a person. Find a person.
You know, so when this here next 3 weeks or so, people go and text it in the yard, right? When I'm pretty sure they know that. Yes, all of the family members them with their support, you know. All who did they have money for? Where they owe money and them something. Everybody come back for you, you know. Everybody come back for you. No, talk truth. What's your name, sir?
Winston.
Winston. Talk the truth. Where did they get the team? You feel that them are the winner, like you're confident. No, talk the truth.
No,
talk the truth.
Let me tell you the truth.
Yeah.
From day one, I tell them say anybody get Winston, I go automatically win because.
Oh yeah, the winning in your name.
Wait, him say in department actually have the words smart tonight and the competition games.
Oh wow, say they know, say yeah, part of the winner.
Part of the winner.
Which team you think was like your competition?
Team Sharks. That's it. That's right here.
Them alone you think was competition. Team Roy, they kinda glad when them going.
Yeah, because we're going to be here.
Oh my god, so I'm just wake people. I'm just wake around 9 o'clock now. Yo, I have not touched the beach. Me no put my foot in a pool. Me no do nothing like that all now. And I am his tent by the hook or the crook. I am going to get some water time before I leave here. Huh. That was so crazy. Anyway. Yeah. So in Jamaica, I'm a YouTuber. So I do videos and talk about different things, yeah. So I did a commercial for that particular brand of bottled water.
You recognize Jerry? He's famous.
Oh, hi Jerry. Hi. Is this the first time in Jamaica?
No, second.
Second time. What's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
The night.
And what's your favorite thing about Jamaica? Jamaica. You couldn't get a name call too.
Yes, sir. You know I feel good.
Oh yeah, Meek, yeah. Me used to be a size 32, I know I'm a size...
Come here.
Oh hey, boy! Boy! Dutty!
Yes, my good friend.
That's it, people. It's a wrap. It done. Finito. Big up yourself, Michelle. It done.
We did it last year and we're going to did it again.
Yeah.
Boom.
Back at it again. Facebook hero. So go. Drop one piece. It's like if you're artist ever know them song.
Beat the honest road, me carry my honest load. But still them want kill me. My mad still may it hurt me. Cause honestly, when I see how them feel bad mind me. And them never dead when the pressure did reach me. Jah know it never easy. I true mama strong, make she decide to keep me. Cause papa never need me. Alright, that's the last one.
Nah, that song actually sound good. Song actually sound good. You actually have talent. You know what that sound there? You book up artists and you wonder like, yo. Like it's gonna turn out and it's actually good. It's actually good.
Now it's coming soon.
Alright, so that's you. Over there, so I'll be the road manager, you know. Alright, big up.